Aloha lover and welcome to Measina Treasures of Samoa, where we amplify Samoan culture. Today it is 6 o'clock in the morning and I have checked in all of my luggage and just taken my ADHD medication, so I needed to eat some breakfast. So as soon as I saw that McDonald's had the McGriddle back, I knew that's where I needed to go. I first tried McGriddle when I was in Samoa and I fell in love with it. It was like a pancake with sausage and egg and cheese inside, and the pancakes had its own syrup inside it, and yeah, I love it. It just reminds me of Samoa and breakfasts in Samoa. So I had my McGriddle and it was delicious. Then I took my time because I was 3 hours early for my flight to go to Wellington. So enjoy me eating. The plane was delayed. I was exhausted and tired and just wanted to sleep. Um, when we got to Wellington, I didn't film because it was family and I needed to protect their privacy, but also very tired. Day three, my brother Tui and his girlfriend Kylie took me to breakfast at Titahi Bay Cafe. And then we went for a walk along Titahi Bay Beach. So beautiful. Really, really love the beach houses. Very much reminds me of Brighton in Melbourne. Very pretty. Really enjoyed the beach. Then we went to Te Papa Museum and saw the earthquake house.